In the fast paced world of manufacturing, every second counts and every unit matters. Yet, many small to medium enterprises are still stuck in the past, relying on manual methods to track their output. Welcome to the future of streamlined manufacturing. Today, we present AccuTrack, real-time automated production counter in conveyor-based manufacturing, a solution designed to bring precision and efficiency to the heart of your production line.
Small production companies are the backbone of our economy, but they face a significant hurdle: manual intervention. Currently, many businesses rely on human operators to count products as they roll off the belt. This leads to three major problems. First, human errors. Fatigue and distractions lead to miscount, causing inventory discrepancies. Second, labor costs. Diverting a human resource to just count items is an efficient use of talent. Third, lack of real-time data. Managers often don't know their daily totals until the shift is over, making it impossible to adjust to delays as they happen. In a competitive market, these minor hassles become major losses.
Our project is an automated counting system that counts and displays numbers of objects by utilizing dual sensors. A Q-track identifies and logs every single unit that passes through the line. It removes that need for manual tallying, allowing your staff to focus on high-value tasks while the system handles the data. It's not just a counter, it's a digital upgrade for your entire floor.
We set out with four clear objectives. 1. To automate the counting process to ensure it's clear. 2. To achieve maximum precision, eliminating the plus or minus margin of error found in manual counting. 3. To reduce overhead by minimizing human intervention. And 4. To provide instant data accessibility, giving owners a real-time view of production.
How does AccuTrack work? Our methodology follows a detect process display workflow. First, we use industrial-grade sensors positioned at the strategic place on the conveyor. As a product breaks the sensor beam, a signal is sent to our central processing unit. The data is then pushed to a localized LED display for workers. This ensures that the data is accurate and is exactly displayed for inventory.
During our testing phase, the results were conclusive. AccuTrack maintained a 95% accuracy rate at high belt speed. In a 3 consecutive shift, we found that AccuTrack saved time on reconciling counts. Furthermore, the real-time alerts allowed floor managers to identify mechanical jams 15% faster than before. The systems didn't just count products, it improved the heartbeat of the factory.
What have we learned? The biggest insight is that efficiency isn't always about moving faster. It's about knowing exactly where you stand. For small companies, the barrier to Industry 4.0 is often cost and complexity. AccuTrack proves that you don't need $1 million overhaul to get smart results. By targeting the hassle of manual intervention, we provide a scalable solution that grows with the business. The data collected today isn't just a number. It's the foundation for future predictive maintenance and better resource planning.
AccuTrack is more than just a sensor. It's a commitment to helping small production companies compete on a global scale. By removing human error and providing real-time clarity, we empower businesses to be more efficient, less stressed, and truly automated. Thank you for joining us on this journey to revolutionize the conveyor belt. With AccuTrack, every unit counts.